Hello and welcome to another video. This is SOL USD 60-minute chart. Let's see where is our support and where is our resistance this week. If you look at this chart very carefully, you can see three resistance areas. One of them is very important. We don't know, can market break this important resistance or no, but let's see where is our support here. And those are our support area. I think first one is not important, but second one is very important and strong. This one 93 is very important area. Let's see Elliott wave here. If here is wave 1, 2, 3, and probably this is triangle for wave 4, and maybe we have wave 5 here. We don't know yet. Maybe here is triangle, and maybe after that we have a bullish market. We don't know. Maybe this is ABC. Is A, B, C. And maybe this is our trend line. It's not good trend line, but maybe it work. And when you see this pitchfork here, maybe our target is here. And market can't touch this median line here. So what can we do now? I think we can't buy here until market break this swing here. Don't buy until market break this swing here. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe.